Students, dear students, I am going to deliver a talk on dipole moment in alkene. Alkene molecules show dipole moment. The reason is a covalent bond connected to a sp2 carbon is polar due to difference in electronegativity of sp2 carbon and the atom which is bonded to it, shown as this is carbon-carbon double bond. This is an alkene molecule. It is connected to CH3. You know that this carbon is in sp2 hybridized state. This is also in sp2 hybridized state. And this carbon, which is connected to sp2 carbon, it is in sp3 hybridized state. So there is difference in hybridization. A sp2 carbon is more electronegative than the sp3 carbon. So this covalent bond becomes polar because of shift of sigma electron towards more electronegative sp2 carbon, resulting in development of a dipole like this. This becomes partially positive and this carbon becomes partially negative. So creation of two opposite dipole in a particular direction is called as dipole moment, and this dipole moment is represented by an arrow which extends from electropositive atom to electronegative atom like this. So we can show dipole moment in the form of this signal as. So this covalent bond is polar. Covalent bond is polar. This is positive pole and this is the negative pole. So you can say that this covalent bond bears a dipole. This is notation of dipole moment. Notation of direction of dipole moment. The dipole moment. Pole means single, negative or positive. When it is dipole, it means positive and negative. So this is the partial positive and this is the partial negative. So it is a dipole, and this dipole has direction shown in the arrow, shown as in arrow, which originates from electropositive atom to electronegative atom. See the another example. If it is fluorine, if alkene contains a covalent bond containing fluorine atom, so it is more electronegative. So it is electronegative more. So it is partially positive negative and this is partially positive. So the direction of the dipole moment becomes like this. It is the notation of the dipole moment. So dipole moment is represented as, this is dipole moment mu is equal to E into D, where this is dipole moment, mu is dipole moment in dBi unit, and this is the magnitude of charge in ESU unit, electrostatic unit, and this is the distance between the charges. Distance between the charges, between the dipole. distance between the dipole. So dipole moment is equal to magnitude of charge multiplied by distance. So the dipole moment is equal to magnitude of charge multiplied by distance between the opposite poles. Opposite poles means partial positive and the partial positive. It has direction. Dipole moment has directional property. Dipole moment has directional property. Hence shown by notation of an arrow moving from positive pole to the negative pole. So this is the direction, like this. If dipole moment is 0, it means molecule is non-polar. When dipole moment mu of an alkene is 0, it means alkene is non-polar, non-reactive, with low boiling point. Because dipole interaction is zero or absent. Dipole interaction is absent or zero. On the other hand, when dipole moment of alkene is not equal to 0, on the other hand, next point, on the other hand, when dipole moment of an alkene is not equal to 0, that is mu is not equal to 0, it means it has some value, or in other words, it has some value. The alkene is reactive. has more boiling point, due to dipole-dipole interaction, dipole-dipole interactions in the molecule, but has low value of melting point. So this is about the dipole moment. Now see the examples. So I repeat again. On the other hand, when dipole moment of alkene is not equal to 0, it means it has some value of dipole moment, then the alkene is reactive, has more boiling point due to dipole-dipole interactions in the molecule, but has low value of melting point. Due to less compact packing, in crystal lattice. This is the region of low melting point. Now with examples. For examples, I take the example of cis-2-butene and trans-2-butene. Shown as this is cis and this is trans form. This is cis form, cis-2-butene, trans-2-butene, identical groups on the opposite side, so it is trans. Identical groups or atoms on the same side, so it is cis. Now see the dipole moment. This is sp2 carbon. This is the bond direction, bond moment like this. The bond moment like this. So bond moment in this molecule are acting in the same direction. So it has dipole moment, means mu is not equal to 0. Mu is not equal to 0, it means it has dipole moment, because dipole moment of one bond is not cancelled by the dipole moment of the other bond. Now see, in this case, this is bond moment in this direction because it is more electronegative. So this is slight negative, this is the slight positive. In this case, this is slight negative and this is slight positive. So bond moment is in this direction, no, in this direction, from positive to negative, from positive pole to negative pole. So in this case, bond moment of upper CH3 group is cancelled by bond moment of the lower CH3 group. So bond moment is cancelled. Bond moment or dipole moment of upper CH3 group is exactly cancelled by the bond moment of lower CH3 group, of lower CH3 group. Lower CH3 group. So this is the bond moment of upper CH3 group is exactly cancelled by bond moment of lower CH3 group, cancelled by bond moment of bond moment of lower CH3 group. So net value of dipole moment is 0, but in this case net value of dipole moment is not equal to 0. It means it has more dipole moment, more dipole moment. In this case, 0 dipole moment. So what is impact on physical property? The impact on physical property. The impact on physical property. Physical properties. Number 1 or dot cis-2-butene. Cis-2-butene has higher boiling point because of this is dipole, this is the negative, this is the positive, this is the negative and this is the positive, because of dipole interactions. Dipole interactions in the molecule. Interactions in the molecule. Interactions, dipole interactions of molecules. So it has high boiling point. In case of trans-2-butene has low value of boiling point because there is no polarity in the molecule, hence no dipole interaction, and its boiling point in turn becomes less than the cis-2-butene. So trans-2-butene has low boiling point due to absence of dipole interactions. Dipole interactions. Trans-2-butene has low boiling point due to absence of dipole interaction. On the other hand, about the melting point, melting point of trans-2-butene is high. Trans-2-butene is high or higher than the cis form because trans form is trans-2-butene is symmetrical and packing in crystal lattice is proper and rigid, while in cis form or in cis 2 butene it is not the symmetrical molecule. And in turn packing in crystal lattice is not rigid, so it has low melting point. The melting point depends on the rigid packing of the crystal lattice. Trans 2 butene is symmetrical and its packing in crystal lattice is very smooth and rigid. That's why it has high melting point. See the other examples of alkene where dipole moment is present. Take the example of 2-pentene. 2-pentene is structurally represented as CH3, CH2, CH3. This is cis-2-pentene. Cis-2-pentene dipole moment like this, partial positive, partial negative. Bond moment is like that. This is partial negative, partial positive. The similar situation with cis-2-butene. In this case, it is like that. This is CH2, CH3, and this is, so this is trans 2-pentene. Its dipole moment is not exactly cancelled. Slight positive, this is slight negative, this is slight positive. Its dipole moment is not completely. Dipole moment of the upper CH3 group is not completely cancelled, by the lower C2H5 group. So its dipole moment is not equal to 0. Dipole moment is not equal to 0. Similarly, this situation here, dipole moment is not equal to 0. But dipole moment in this case is greater, and in this case it is lower. This is the difference. But both of the molecules have dipole moment. This has got more dipole moment because there is no chance of cancellation of the dipole moment. In this case, there is cancellation of dipole moment, but not the exact cancellation, but not the complete cancellation of the dipole moment. So it has little value of dipole moment and it has more value of dipole moment. Similarly, we can take the other example. Say it is cis-2-hexene. We can take another example. We extend this CH2, CH3. This is cis-2-hexene. This is cis-2 trans 2-hexene, extend this CH2, CH2, CH3. This is trans 2-hexene. Similar to this situation, in this case, cis 2-hexene has higher value of dipole moment because dipole moment do not cancel the dipole moment created by the CH3 group and the created by propyl group, although they are working in the same direction. So it is coming in this direction, but in this case they are coming in opposite direction but not completely cancelled by each other. So it has got some value of dipole moment, this has got some value of dipole moment, it has greater value and it has lower value. What is impact on boiling point? The boiling point of this one is high, boiling point is high because greater dipole-dipole interaction, because of greater dipole-dipole interaction, dipole interaction in molecules. Here is low BP, this has got low BP because of low dipole-dipole interaction. So this has low, the boiling point due to low dipole interactions. So this is about the 2-hexene. Now write a question where you have to search the dipole moment in which molecule has zero dipole moment, has zero value. So it is in the form of a question. A question is before you. Point out the alkene which has zero dipole moment. Find out the alkene which has zero dipole moment. A, this is Cl, B, Cl, H, Cl, CH3, double bond, CH3, H, and H, and D. This is CH3, C, triple bond C, CH3. No, this is not CH3, but this is not this one. This is F, H, and D. CH3. So these are the 4 alkenes A, B, C, and D. In this case, the bond moment is like that. Partial negative and the partial negative and partial positive. No, this is in opposite direction. This is partial negative, more electronegative chlorine. So bond moment will be like that, from positive to negative, from positive to negative. So it has dipole moment. So its dipole moment is not equal to 0. In this case, dipole moment is like this and like this. So dipole moment of the upper chlorine atom is being compensated by lower chlorine atom, so its dipole moment is 0. Again dipole moment direction like that, so it has dipole moment not equal to 0. In this case, dipole moment in this direction, dipole moment in this direction, dipole moment in this direction. So two fluorine cancel their dipole moment, but this methyl group does not cancel, so it has dipole moment. So the answer will be, find out the alkene which has 0 dipole moment. The answer is B. So this is for you about the dipole moment. It is important for students. Questions on dipole moment are generally asked in competitive examinations. So be careful, pay attention and learn it well. Very good. Thank you.